Friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we will clear second part of lingering challenges related to rural development, and that is the problem of agriculture marketing. Let us see which are the initiatives taken by the government for the removal of defects of agriculture marketing. So let us start with the government measures for improving agriculture marketing system. So government measures for the improvement of agriculture marketing system. The first measure which government has initiated, that is organization of regular markets. Organization of regular markets or setting up of regular markets. How regular markets helps to remove the defects of agriculture marketing. So a very important step that was initiated by the government, a very important step which was initiated by the government was the establishment of regular markets or organization of establishment or organization. Government has organized the regular markets. Number 2, these regular markets protects the farmers from malpractices of the market. Malpractices, actually these malpractices are done by the sellers or brokers or commission agents, etc. These regular markets provide information to the farmers about the price of their product, and weights and measures are standardized and controlled by the government. So this information government has provided through these regular markets to the farmers, and moreover these markets are markets are controlled by the market committees. Market committee. And what are these market committees? And which has state government, comma, which has the nominees of state government, comma, local bodies, comma, brokers, commission agents, and farmers. These market committees are appointed by the government for a specific period of time. The main functions performed by the market committees are: number 1, which are the main functions that are promoted by the market committee? Number 1, orderly and transparent market condition. They provides to the farmer. Number 2, second main function. We are discussing the main functions performed by the market committee. Second function is fixation of commission, fixation of commission for reward or charges. We will write charges for weights and commissions. So charges will be fixed. Orderly and transparent market conditions will be there. Then fixation of charges for weights and commissions. Commission will be fixed, and charges for weights that will also be fixed. Then prevention of unauthorized deductions. Unauthorized deductions means deductions from the total production and underhand dealings and similarly practices by brokers, dalals and commission agents, etc. Number 4, timely and up to date information about the market, about the regular market provided to the farmers by the market committee. So this is the duty of the market committee, that he will provide timely or up to date information to the farmers. Next point is settling the disputes arises among the parties from the market operations. So this market committee also settle down all the disputes which can be arises among or between the parties, due to the operation of market conditions. So it will also settle down all the market risks. And moreover, so these are some changes that has been taken place by the regular markets, by the organization of regular markets. And these are the steps, these are the important functions that are performed by the market committees. So all these functions that will remove the defects of the initially agriculture marketing which was facing by the rural areas. So farmer will be beneficial from the setting up of market from the setting up of market committees. And at present there are 7,320 regular markets in the economy. Regular markets across the country, across the rural areas. And one more thing which is very much important, approximately 21 major wholesale markets are integrated on 14th April 2016. They are integrated electronically named as electronically, and we have named these 21 major wholesale markets named as NAM. NAM means National Agriculture market. So you must keep in mind all these objective type questions. What is meant by NAM? National Agriculture Market, which has 21 major wholesale markets which are integrated on 14th April 2016 electronically. Why we have integrated these 21 major wholesale markets? So that to eliminate the price difference across different parts of the country and to moderate food inflation. So you must keep in mind what is the role of 21 major wholesale markets in the economy. What is the role of National Agriculture Market that has been integrated on 14th April 2016 electronically? The main purpose was to eliminate the price difference across different parts of the country and to moderate food inflation. Inflation means rise in prices, so that there can't be any type of rise in prices in the economy. So in this way, when we have integrated all the wholesale markets, so it means a common prices will be there in the market. So it will be beneficial for, so I am here writing down, so such a type of policy will be beneficial both for farmers as well as consumers also. So in this way, such a type of policies will help farmers as well as consumers. So we must have enough material with us that we can write down on organization of regular markets according to 4 marks. So you must have enough material with you. So that's all regarding this topic. Do subscribe and like my videos. So to see all the videos, kindly subscribe the channel. That's all regarding this topic. Thank you.